everyone, and welcome back to another video. Just got back from a hunt and I found that New Zealand has gotten the 50th anniversary SuperFast in, and so I have bought two and I'll be doing a review of them. What I got is this nice Porsche and Volkswagen coupe. They were rather expensive at $9 each, but at the price that my local stores are raising everything up to, that's actually kind of cheap for stuff like this. The ones that they had there was a 1930s Ford pickup, a green Chevrolet Camaro, a classic, I think it was called the Shark Mouth, the Matchbox old actual fantasy car, and then and then these two, and I'm pretty sure that was it. Yes, that was it. And I do kind of want the golden Ford that was there, but the Camaro and stuff, I didn't have much appeal in it. But let's do a review of them. We're going to start with the Volkswagen here. The box is just pretty normal. Here it is. I've seen that these Matchbox, best of Matchbox and stuff, usually have Hot Wheels wheels like this one. They have these steely wheels that I've seen on a couple Hot Wheels cars before. But just a very all-around nice car with lots of detail. And car culture is about $8 here in New Zealand. Getting a car with opening features and the same amount of detail for only $1 more is a pretty good deal, but still expensive for a toy. This is definitely my favorite, and definitely the rarest. They were snatched up, these Volkswagens, pretty quickly. Yeah, I love the copper wheels on it. I think they are very, very nice. And if you look on the back here, the license plate says MatchBox SuperFast 50th. Same with the front. But sadly, there are some chips where the doors open. But now the Porsche, which has a very nice rendering on the box right there. This is number 10, if you saw that. This is number 9. This is a 1980 Porsche 911 Turbo. And let's take it out of the box. It's pretty out of proportion casting, like how small the A-pillars are and the wheels and stuff, and how high the roof is compared to the real car. It's a bit of a goofy car, I guess, but it is pretty nice. I love the colours on it. By far, I love the colours. It does, the Volkswagen does have tread, but it's a very small tread, and the Porsche does have very large tread. Both of these are plastic based and metal top, and both of these have opening doors. The Camaro had an opening hood, and the rest had opening doors except for the Shark Mouth thing, which didn't have any opening features. But there was lots of varying and variety when it came to the colour with this car. Some would be really dark, some would be very light, so I tried to find the one that was the lightest because I liked the light blue quite a bit. But just like on the Volkswagen, it has a lot of very good quality detail, and did not expect these to actually come to New Zealand. I was hoping that this was the set with the Volkswagen bus and the Honda S2000, but it was this one, so hopefully we're going to see more of these. Hopefully this is not just a one-time thing. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.